Hi, I would like to show you my way of soldering LQFP packages. As you can see, I am applying solder flux on all the pads. This is the kind of flux I'm using. And now I am applying solder to all the pads. I'm using leaded solder. As you can see, I'm making some shorts here, but don't worry about that. We will fix that a bit later. And now I am applying more flux. And the shorts disappear. And here I'm placing my chip. As you can see on my fingers, I'm doing other things than electronics. And here I'm soldering one of the pins. Then I'm placing the chip exactly where I want it. Important to get it right. And then solder one pin on this side also. Now the chip is where we want it. And then I apply more flux to all the pins. Now I'm using my hot air soldering station. The temperature is 410 degrees Celsius or 770 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to apply the heat evenly on all sides. Continue applying heat till you see the solder melting. It will take a little while. Yes, here you can see it starts. It's important to continue to make sure all the pins are soldered. here you can see after cleaning with some alcohol. Pretty nice. Thank you for watching.